In this question, let us put x square is equal to t. Let x square is equal to t. Now, what we are getting? Therefore, x square plus 1, x square plus 4 upon x square plus 3, x square minus 5 is equal to t plus 1, t plus 4 upon t plus 3, t minus 5. Now, on multiplying, what we are getting? T square plus 5t plus 4 upon t square minus 2t minus 15. Now, to t square plus 5t plus 4 upon t square minus 2t minus 15. Now, to this what we can write it? Let's check it. Now, t square plus 5t plus 4 divided by t square minus 2t minus 15. Now, we are having t square minus 2t minus 15. Now, minus plus plus. So, we are left with 7t, not 70, 7t plus 19. So, now this can be written as now 1 plus 7t plus 19 upon t square minus 2t minus 50. Okay? Or this can be written as 1 plus 7t plus 19 upon t plus 3, t minus 5. Is it clear? Now, t plus 19 upon t plus 3, t minus 5 can be written as a upon t plus 3 plus b upon t minus 5. Now, this implies 7t plus 19 is equal to a t minus 5 plus b t plus 3. Now, on putting t is equal to 5, when we are putting t is equal to 5, then b is equal to, when t is 5, then b will be what? On solving 25, t is 5, 35 plus 19, 49, 35 plus 19, sorry, upon 8. So, it is 27 upon 4. And on putting t is equal to minus 3, then a is equal to t minus 3 minus 8, 21 minus plus 19. So, a will be 1 upon 4. Now, a is 1 by 4 and b is 27 by 4. Okay. Integration of x square plus 1, x square plus 4 upon x square plus 3, x square minus 5 dx is equal to integration of, now what we are having, 1 plus a A is what? 1 by 4. 1 upon 4 upon x square plus 3 plus 27 upon 4 upon x square minus 5 dx. Okay. So this can be written as now integration of x dx, sorry, integration of dx, integration of dx plus 1 by 4 integration of dx upon x square plus 3 plus 27 by 4 integration of dx upon x square minus 5. Now, let I1 is equal to integration of dx upon x square root 3 whole square. Okay. So now what the result is? This becomes 1 upon root 3 tan inverse x upon root 3 plus C1. Let I2 is equal to integration of, let us take I2 as this as a term, dx upon x square minus root 5 whole square. Now this becomes 1 upon 2 root 5 log mod of x minus root 5 upon x plus root 5 plus C2. Now we are having x is equal to, it was integration of dx plus 1 by 4 integration of dx upon x square plus root 3 whole square plus 27 upon 4 integration of dx upon x square minus root 5 whole square. Okay. Now let's put the values. This becomes x plus 1 by 4 times 1 by 4. Now I1 1 upon root 3 tan inverse x upon root 3 plus 27 upon 4 times 1 upon 2 root 5 log x minus root 5 upon x plus root 5 plus capital C. Okay. Now capital C is equal to, capital C can be written as one upon 4 C1 plus 27 upon 4 C2, and we are not taking any C for this part. Okay. So if you are taking C, then you can write C1 plus C2 plus C3. Okay. So now finally we are having x plus 1 upon 4 root 3 tan inverse x upon root 3 plus, now this becomes 27 upon 8 root 5 log x minus root 5 upon x plus root 5 plus C. Answer.